Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sausage and rice skillet. Alright, I'm starting out on my large skillet I have preheating. I'm going to add in some olive oil. Probably about 3 tablespoons, just enough to cover the bottom of the skillet. And I have a 14-ounce ring of kibasi smoked sausage. Any kind of smoked sausage will do. This is Hillshire Farms, the pre-cooked stuff. I'm going to get this in here. I'm going to let it fry for a few minutes till it starts to brown. Alright, now my sausage is starting to brown up. I have a half of a red onion I diced up. You can use a yellow onion too. I just used this because I had to use it up. I'm going to get that in there. And I'm going to put in some garlic. Now if you use regular garlic, use 3 cloves. I'm using the pre-diced stuff, so I'm going to put 3 cloves worth in. I'm going to allow this to fry for a few minutes so the onions start to soften up and the garlic gets fragrant. And now that my onions and garlic went for a little bit and everything's nice and fragrant, I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This here is a 10-ounce can, undrained. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And if you have little ones at home, you might want to leave this out because that's going to add a little bit of heat to that. And I'm going to add in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Turn my heat up a little bit to get this going. Okay, let me give that a stir to get everything mixed around. Dexter! Right now I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of uncooked white rice. Make sure you get the uncooked rice, not the parboiled or the instant. That's not going to work out in this for you. Try not to get all over your stove top. I'm going to stir that down in. Just get my excess rice out of here. Okay, now I'm going to cover this. I'm going to bring it up to a gentle boil and cook it over medium heat covered for about 20 minutes. You don't want to mess with it, guys, because you want your rice to absorb that liquid. Alright guys, my 20 minutes are up, and I cooked this over medium low, and you can see how that rice drank up all that liquid. That's why you don't want to go in there messing around, because you need to save that moisture in there. I'm just going to give this a stir to get everything all blended. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me go ahead and try this. I'm going to start with the rice. Rice is tender, well seasoned. You're getting the spiciness of the cayenne pepper. Has a little kick to it, guys. Plus the chilies and the tomatoes. Now let me try the sausage. It's got that spicy smoked flavor. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Right there you have it. Sausage and rice skillet. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.